And so let's just take this idea now, this idea of listening deeply to what our spiritual practice is and saying yes to that practice and really diving in to expanding and expressing all that we are. Let's just take that into a time of prayer and a time of meditation. And so we begin that time right here and right now by connecting deeply with the power and the presence of spirit that expresses as us. Here and now in this moment, we consciously choose to release, to let go of any thoughts of outer distractions, those little doubts that may creep into our mind in this moment. The thoughts that say, I'm not good enough. The thoughts that say, I don't have the depth for this experience. Whatever limiting beliefs that seem to want to hold on, we just gently set them aside. For in this place, in this time, we realize the truth that they are not a part of who, and more importantly, what we are. For in this moment, we know the truth that we are spirit. We are spirit expressing. We are spirit shining. We are spirit being. And so it is that spirit that we connect with right here and right now. And in this moment, we say yes to Spirit's guidance as we make our intention simply to listen as Spirit speaks loudly, clearly, and intently in the silence. And ever so gently, we feel ourselves being called, being drawn back to an awareness of this time and this place. Knowing that as the awareness of that outer consciousness returns, the inner light remains. And so as we re-enter this day, we remain open to the nudges of Spirit, to the guidance of Spirit. As we allow Spirit's light and Spirit's love to continue to guide us throughout this day, this week, this month. And it is for that that we are grateful. And so it is. Amen.